Now very important law, Ohm's law. It is a conductor. Conductor will allow the passage of electricity, and it is a battery eliminator. Battery eliminator will give electric potential difference across the conductor. If you want to give a potential difference across the conductor, we can use battery eliminator. This is battery eliminator. We can control the voltage here. This is milliammeter. Milliammeter we are using for measuring current. We are using a meter for measuring current, and there is a voltmeter which is using for measuring the voltage. Okay, we are going to connect it. We have connected the conductor to this eliminator, battery eliminator, and we have connected the ammeter also. It should be series connection. Okay, and we are connecting the voltmeter, going to measure the voltage across the conductor. We are not going to do anything here. We are going to just observe the data. I think you have done Ohm's law experiment in class 11. Okay, it's a very simple experiment. Voltmeter will give voltage, potential. Similarly, ammeter will give current. When we are observing, when electricity is passing through this circuit, now electricity is passing through the circuit. When electricity is passing through the circuit, voltmeter will give a reading. Similarly, milliammeter also going to give a reading. There are two readings here, milliammeter and voltmeter. Okay, we are going to observe these two readings. When we are observing these two readings, I am going to show the observation table. Okay, this is the observation table. 0 volt 0 milliampere, 1 volt 1 milliampere, 2 volt 2 milliampere, 3 volt 2 milliampere, 4 volt 4 milliampere, 5 volt 5 milliampere, 6 volt 6 milliampere. So you can observe here, when we are increasing the voltage, the current is also increasing. It is Ohm's law. When we are increasing voltage, the current will increase. That is Ohm's law. When we are showing this in the form of a graph, you can observe the graph here. The current is increasing, at the same time potential difference is also increasing. Here you can see that potential difference is increasing. The green bar is potential difference, the blue one is current. Both are increasing, both values are increasing. It is Ohm's law. Here we need to bring a condition. The temperature should be constant. We will discuss the reason behind it. Temperature should be constant. Ohm's law. Now you can write the heading Ohm's law, and you can write the definition. At a constant temperature, the potential difference between two ends of a conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through the conductor. V proportional to I. Why we are using this proportionality sign? Proportionality sign, when one quantity is increasing, the other quantity is also increasing. That is the reason for this proportionality sign. It is proportionality sign. Okay, so V is proportional to I. To remove this proportionality sign, we don't want this proportionality sign when we are solving numerical. When we are solving problem, we don't want this proportionality sign. To remove that, we are adding a constant. So it is changing to equal now. V equal to IR. R is the constant here. This constant is known as resistance. V equal to IR. That is our equation. V equal to IR. V is potential difference. I is current. R is resistance. R is resistance.